Hello everyone and welcome to your favourite security channel here on YouTube, Simon Security Expert. Today's video is all about group sets on the Guardfather security system, what they are, how they work and how you can use them on your own system. Now first of all, I just want to say don't panic. I'll say this straight away. Group sets are a step up from your usual, full arm, unset and stay arm. So if you like to keep things really simple, don't worry. You can keep your Guardfather security system as simple as you like and it'll do its job perfectly well. This video is for anyone who wants to dig a little bit deeper and discover some of the cool extra stuff that you can do on the system that, to be honest, most other systems don't offer. So first of all, we need to start with what is a group set. See, on a normal domestic setup, all of your detectors usually sit in one group list of, say, alarm devices, for example. And when you set the system, they all arm together, job done. And for most homes, that's enough and that's spot on. But on the Guardfather, you can create multiple groups, assign specific detectors to each one, and then choose which group you arm and when you do it, giving you loads of flexibility. Let me give you an example of where that's genuinely useful. See, inside your house, let's imagine you've got the usual. You've got door contacts, window contacts, motion sensors, smoke sensors and all that. But outside, you've gone a little bit further. Let's say you've got an external motion sensor covering the back garden, maybe a wireless internal motion sensor that's inside a detached garage, and maybe a wireless door contact that's on the shed protecting that. Now, there'll be plenty of times that you want those outside areas protected while the inside of your house is completely disarmed. Imagine your home, people are wandering about, so your internal sensors can't be armed, but your garage and your shed are still sat out there full of expensive stuff, like tools or bikes maybe. And daylight robbery is a very, very real thing. Opportunistic burglars will often see a detached garage or a shed and they'll think it's an easy target. They'll think it's simple. The burglar thinks that the shed won't be alarmed. If they can see someone's home, they'll assume that the alarm definitely won't be on. They'll try and nip in, grab a few bits and then be gone. I've seen this happen countless times. A group set, though, takes that option off the table. Here's how it works on the app. You create a second group, call the first one, say, internal alarm devices, and your second one, external alarm devices. Then you assign each detector to a group based on where it is. Garden sensor, garage sensor and shed in our example, they can go into external. Everything else that sits in the home goes into internal. Now, importantly, your full set doesn't change. Press full set and everything arms, all sensors exactly as before. Same with your stay set, also known, as a night set or a bedtime set. That still arms whatever you've selected for stay arm. But with group setup, you get this option here. Tap it and you can pick and choose. Arm maybe just the external group, maybe just the internal group, or select both. You can see me doing it here on the screen. It's just a case of ticking the groups that you want on at that particular time. So it's really beneficial because you can now potter around the house in complete freedom while the garden, the garage and the shed are fully protected. If someone chances it, the alarm's going to go off and you get notified instantly on the app and the alarm's blaring, it'll scare them away. The Guardfather is full of little features like this. I deliberately don't shout about all of them because I never want to make the system, seem too complicated to anyone, but it's worth knowing just how flexible it can be when you want it to be. And if you've got a system or you're getting a system and you fancy setting up group sets and want a hand, just contact our tech support team and it'll come through to me. I'll either talk you through it or I'll log in and I'll set it up for you. And if you're interested in a wireless DIY security system that you can fit yourself, there's a link to the Guardfather Security Systems website in the description. You can build a kit that's specific to you and exactly what you need. We've even got a system builder that can do this for you on the website, and then you can take control of your own security. But regardless of what security setup you've got, if you need help with it, I've pretty much worked on them all. Just get in touch and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, see you on the next one.